Hello friends, today I'm going to show you all how to make pav bhaji and take a kadhai. In that put 50 grams of butter, that is half a packet of 100-gram butter. Add 2 finely chopped capsicums, 4 finely chopped tomatoes and nicely fry it till the tomatoes get mushy and the capsicum is nicely cooked. This may take about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the tomato has got all mushy and so has the capsicum boiled. Now to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and frying it a bit, say for 1 minute. Then I'm taking a potato masher and I'm just mashing this into a fine consistency. You can add even grated cauliflower to this. You can add even carrots to this. You can add vegetables of your choice, but I add just tomatoes, capsicum and boiled potatoes and peas. So now I'm adding 4 big boiled potatoes to this and mashing it into the tomatoes which are already mashed. Nicely mash the potatoes. Now I'm adding to this mashed green peas, boiled mashed green peas, about 1 bowl. And mix it nicely. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 3 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala. I use Everest pav bhaji masala. Now I am adding salt to taste and water and I am mixing this nicely. Mix this nicely and bring it to a boil. If you feel the vegetables are not mashed properly, use the masher again and mash it nicely. Let it come to a boil. If you feel the water is less, add more water. Check the salt and add if need be. I am adding finely chopped fresh coriander. And again I am adding 50 grams of butter. So I have used one entire 100 grams pack in this. You can add more butter if you want. I'm adding juice of 1 lemon and switching off the gas as it has come to a nice boil. Butter also has salt in it. So before adding salt, add the butter and then check the salt and add if it's less. Now the bhaji is almost ready. It's got a nice boil. Switch off the gas and take it out from heat. Now on a ladle, I am frying the pav. I've put good amount of butter on both the sides and I'm frying the bread on both the sides. You can make the pav at home or you can get the store-bought. Apply butter generously. I'm frying the bread on both the sides and serve this hot. Now it's done on both sides. Now I'll just serve the pav bhaji. Now to this I am adding finely chopped onions while serving, finely chopped coriander. I'll put a piece of lemon for people who like it more tangy and a blob of butter. Sorry guys, the butter fell a little at the side. And the pav bhaji is ready. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.